Welcome in.
This is a tour of our condo at Fort Myers Beach, one of the larger condos we've stayed at through the years. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's take a look. Here's bath number 1. That's a bathroom. And a little closet there. A lot of towels were there for us. That was great. Sarah, what'd you like about this room?
It was a blue.
It was blue, yes. I actually liked it. And you could see the bay. Not right now because there's a lot of dew on the windows, but the west-facing views are very nice. We tried to get some visitors to come visit, but no dice. And I was really impressed by the long hallway. The laundry machine that we actually ended up using quite a bit of laundry just because it was a long trip for us. And the kitchen, did a little cooking here, very little. That's the bar area where our daughter did a lot of Robloxing. And we ate our breakfast and dinner here, and lunch I guess. Oh, it's a bummer that there's so much dew on the windows. You can't see the awesome view out the bay. And awesome views of the beach. Take my word for it. And the family room is nice and spacious. Seats lots of people. Here you can see we're right on the beach at Fort Myers. Nice big balcony. And getting ready for a beautiful day here. And if I'm correct, I think we're staying in a 3-bedroom beachfront suite, which is 1,975 square feet. A lot of space. The master, nice walk-in closet. Master bedroom, awesome views of the ocean. I can't believe all this moisture on the windows. This is like the first day this has happened. And I wrote a secret message in the sand last night, but you can't see it.
What was the message?
I'm looking to see if I can see it. And access to the patio, but we didn't use that. And again, the bathroom, the showers, a nice shower, some side showers. We didn't use the bathtub. And that's it. Fort Myers Beach, oceanfront 3-bedroom condo. We enjoyed our stay. We love our oceanfront views. It was a good vacation.